Okay, Prof. Let's talk about the shadow cabinet. You spoke about the shadow cabinet. And when you made that statement, I think the DSS, Department of State Security, charged you to court. So where are we with that issue of shadow cabinet? And how is the matter in court?
It's in court. We're waiting for the courts. We've attended twice.
Is the shadow cabinet functioning? Is it functioning?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's been functioning since 2008. It's 2008. It's not a new idea. It's not a new concept.
You see, the issue of shadow government here.
And where is that case?
I am not permitted to discuss it.
Okay.
It's sub judice.
Okay.
And the court has warned that the parties should desist from telling or saying anything about it in the public. That's the warning the court gave in the last adjournment. Now, be that as it may, if you look at the prof at the center stage of the matter, why that matter was in court, when that matter was filed in court, it was not in Nigeria. He has come to Nigeria and he has even granted an interview with Arise, with Dr. Ruben Abati, where he stated clearly that the matter is ongoing and the shadow government, the shadow cabinet is still functioning and all matters of things.
Is that contempt of court?
That is the contempt of court. And you see, I love the candor, the composure of DSS. They've not done anything contrary to what the court has said. And apart from that, the prof has come to Nigeria. He has even attended a program in Abuja. And DSS did not attempt to arrest him. That shows the pragmatic shift from the tradition to new era under the current leadership of DSS.